Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the latest construction progress at the new Spotify Camp Nou. And believe me, things are moving faster than ever. From new concrete structures and steel installations to facade supports and stair frameworks, this week's transformation is simply next level. Let's get into it. Starting at the north goal, construction teams are deep into one of the most complex phases, the final cantilever structures. Massive cranes dominate the skyline, lifting steel beams and formwork panels into precise positions. Every section is perfectly aligned to create the stadium's iconic overhanging roof edge that will soon define its new silhouette. Now, the upper decks are almost fully shaped, with crews sealing expansion joints and preparing mounting points for the roof trusses that will be installed later this year. Moving to the corner sections, heavy machinery fills the site. Reinforcement cages are being set for new vertical columns, while welding teams attach steel brackets that will support the future glass and aluminum facade. The precision here is incredible. Crane operators and ground engineers work in perfect coordination to maintain the stadium's circular symmetry. At the south goal, crews are finishing the installation of massive precast concrete slabs that complete the upper seating tiers. Each slab weighs several tons and must be perfectly leveled before sealing. Meanwhile, at the lateral stands, work is advancing on both the inside and outside. Inside, new staircases and corridors are taking shape, connecting multiple tiers through reinforced columns and elevator shafts. On the exterior, curved metal frames are being installed to support the new facade, a modern interpretation of the stadium's original design. Across the central spine, large concrete platforms are being extended to form the base for future VIP and hospitality zones. These spaces will soon host lounges, restaurants, and exclusive viewing areas overlooking the pitch. Every column and beam here is heavily reinforced to bear massive loads, with each concrete pour carefully controlled for precision and strength. Below ground, the underground parking structure is becoming more defined. Designed to accommodate over 3,000 vehicles, it's one of the largest subterranean facilities in the city. Workers are sealing joints, waterproofing the floors, and preparing ventilation systems essential for smooth operations once the stadium reopens. At the top rim, steel platforms are now being installed to support the upcoming roof structure, one of the most iconic parts of the new Camp Nou. When completed, a continuous floating roof ring will wrap around the entire stadium, transforming its skyline forever. The site looks alive, cranes rotating, welders sparking, and workers moving in perfect sync. Over 1,500 workers are on site daily, divided into specialized teams handling concrete, steel, finishing, and facade installation. The coordination and speed of progress are simply remarkable. Each week, the vision becomes clearer, a modern, elegant, and unmistakably Camp Nou. Every beam placed and slab poured brings Barcelona one step closer to welcoming fans back to their legendary home. And that's it for this week's construction update. The progress is unbelievable, a true blend of engineering and passion. If you enjoyed the update and want to stay on top of the Camp Nou transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and as always, Visca el Barça.